In this video, I will show you how to set a default channel on YouTube every time when you log in. Click on your profile logo. Select the Switch Account option. Now choose the specific profile that you want to set as your default channel. Next, in the bottom left section, click on the Settings icon. A new window will appear. Click on the Channel tab. Go to Advanced Settings. Scroll down to the bottom section and you will find Manage YouTube Account. Click on it and you will be redirected to another tab. Here, find and click on View Advanced Settings. Check the box next to the Default Channel option. By following these simple steps, you can set any channel as your default channel. Thanks for watching.